Face Mule. That's the dining area.
What do you want? Butter noodle with French fries? No, that's not how that works. You get buttered noodles butter noodles and you get French fries too, okay? Here you go. So you can get one here or soft drink right here. If you want a mixed cocktail, you're going to go down to the back. And you have everything there. So you don't do that. You can get any type of beverage at the back.
Some memorabilia here for you.
Correct. Okay. You guys got 3 different color balls. You got a 4-corner pencil that's over next to you. What you want to do. It throws people off because rooms don't have servers. So people don't understand, the concept of the 2 different places. Ma'am, you want to try this one? Can you come over here, please? Let's try it here. That was pretty good. That's a good one. Okay, I have 2 simple rules for the dog. Number 1. You got nice skin, but I have to say, the reason we say it twice is okay? So just go out and have fun.
Okay, they got 2 golf courses out here. Give you a sneak peek at those. See, it's really bright out here. Really sunny. Some people playing over there. Music's really loud, so I'm obviously gonna put some music over top of this. Or just not. Yeah, I may not even have this. 36. Okay, whatever that is. Now they got some other areas that we came by. There. So a long time ago, this place used to have go-karts and batting cages. And we're kind of doing something here. Don't quite know what that's going to be. Okay. Not sure I could tell what's going on over here, but I'll look as far as I can go without. I don't know what that's going to be. That's a new building. It's painted a little bit. Got a new sidewalk. It's a new sod down, but I have no idea what that's going to be. But there you have it. We're going to go back in.